The project Beyond the Doors of Casa Batlló Research and Restoration is the result of an agreement with the NGO European Heritage Volunteers. During the next week, the participants, all of them 8 women from 8 different countries, will know how the restoration was made, but also they will contribute to the documentation and the archiving working.
My name is Mariana Martinho, I come from Portugal.
My name is Lindsay Taylor, I'm from the United States.
My name is Carmen, I'm from China, and I study heritage conservation in Brandem, Germany.
Here, this project was an amazing opportunity to understand the context of the building, the Casa Batlló. Our task was to look for photos where could appear the Casa Batlló in the photos of this photographer called Lorenz.
For us conservators, the moment when we open the box and see the first-hand material is really, really exciting.
So we always had to oh, is Casa Batlló in the next one or in the next one? And it was amazing just to see also and to share with the people that work here, and they were being very positive and smiling and showing us in this specific Googles that we can see the photo. It almost looks like 3D photo. So it was actually really amazing to see how such an old thing can become very alive.
The educational activities are focusing on handicraft-orientated techniques and following different materials, and so different techniques linked to ceramics, linked to glass, linked to wood, and linked to Trencalis. The project tries to give a wider background towards the young professionals, just underlining the necessity of a handicraft-based, qualitatively approach for heritage interventions.
We get to meet artists that were really passionate about their work. They learn their techniques from ancestors and they pass it on to the next generations.
D'alguna forma, amb el taller s'han dedicat més a la restauració que amb un altre tipus de ceràmica, perquè simplement ens omple més aquesta feina. És una feina, si bé estem copiant el que hi havia, però és una feina bastant creativa i té molt d'investigació i d'aprendre noves formes de fabricar antigues.
I came with the expectation of learning about archival work for a museum or institute, but what I learned was how vital these photos actually are for the reconstruction and restoration process. Ceramic artisans, glass artisans, carpentry artisans need to look at these photographic evidence in order to do their work. And so it was really fascinating to see the synthesis, to see how people working in the archives really support the artisans, and the artisans are necessary to support the restoration, and so it's all about working together and bringing together these different aspects.
At the end, the participants will contribute to the knowledge of the house, but also will learn the new and traditional techniques that we are using for safeguarding Casa Batlló.